Hi, this is Tom from Lasfit. When you drive, go outside. Due to the difference in temperature and humidity outside, the lens may have condensation. So today I will show you how to keep moisture out of the pod light. When you look at the back of the pod light, there is a breather hole on the center. This breather hole will help you remove moisture out of the pod light. We are going to use a flat blade screwdriver to take off the breather hole. Next, turn on the pod light and leave it on for at least 30 minutes to let the moisture out. After 30 minutes, mount the cap back and turn off the light. Attention! The pod light will get heat. Please wear gloves to prevent burns. Now, the moisture has come out of the pod light. Please get ready to start your next adventure. Thanks for your watching.